I'm starting out with a 5x7 wood canvas that I got from the dollar store, and I'm just applying the liquid patina, which is a decoupage medium. You can get that at iwanttocraft.com. Now you don't need to dry it. I'm just going ahead and drying this just for this video's sakes. I also picked up these really cute little wooden buttons, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint them white. I'm also using DIY paint in the color of beadboard. Now while I was painting those, the liquid patina had dried on this wood. Now what I'm going to do here is the iron-on method of decoupaging. So you just go ahead and you take your napkin, which is a buffalo check that's also on my website at iwanttocraft.com, and apply it with the iron. This method gives you no wrinkles at all. And as you can see, I just went ahead and took a piece of sandpaper and just cleared off the edges. Now, here we're going to just go ahead and paint the sides. I'm using the same color, beadboard, and I'm just going to paint these sides before we go to the next step. I like to bring in the color of the paint that I'm using just a little bit onto the front of the project. It just kind of gives it a bit of a frame to the whole project itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that here, and then we're going to start to add the buttons in the shape of a Christmas tree. Now you'll see that bottom little piece that that I'm gluing on here. It's a oh my goodness, what do you call them? A clothespin. So it's a clothespin that I just took off, and I just cut it just to the length that I wanted it. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue all these on in the shape of the tree. This is a really fun and easy project, and because of the size, it would be really good for a teacher's gift or just have that special gift for somebody. And it's good to know that, you know, you're using products from the dollar store, and put in your own creativity. You could go ahead and even paint these a little bit of a different color. I'm going with the farmhouse theme, so that's why I went with the checkered and the white. Now I'm going to add a little bow to the top of this tree, and this ribbon is actually a linen ribbon that's also on my website, and I'm just going to create the bow, tie a little piece of ribbon around the bow, and just go ahead and glue that on top of the tree. You can get the paint and the napkins and the ribbon all on my website at iwanttocraft.com, and go ahead and make one of these. These are really cute. Like I say, they're great little gifts. I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep crafting, stay safe, and be happy.